Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Honda Civic 2015 model. And today we are very welcome a customer driving from Canberra to Sydney for the job. So we met together at 9 a.m, which actually the customer start from well early, before 7 a.m. in Canberra. The car came with the standard factory radio over here, no screen, no reverse camera, and at this moment we already fit in the full package with the 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple Carplay, fit like factory, and USB Apple Carplay and USB Android Auto as well. And also we fit with the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera. And also furthermore, we gave a special surprise to the customer when they come back, because we couldn't make the promise or guarantee anything for the dynamic steering wheel guideline on this model setup, but we actually end up activate successfully the dynamic steering wheel guideline for the reverse camera, which is a real bonus for the package. And also, when you open the door, it will start showing you on the screen that you are open the door, left, right, rear, very correctly. That's another very extra bonus. And the steering wheel control, they are working. By some reason we try all the way possible, but it looks like the factory button here has something that doesn't respond at all to the computer canvas, so we only can get all of those buttons on the steering, volume, changing jack, and the source button, all of them working well into the new system. But the button here, by any reason, they don't connect. But all the computers connect well into the new system, that including definitely the factory reverse camera guideline on the screen. You can see that it is the dynamic steering wheel guideline, beautiful, very clear, super clear, sharp, and including the dynamic guideline on the screen. I'm sure that they couldn't be happier when they come back to collect the car. And yep, that definitely is worth for a surprise for Canberra customer. Okay, so yep, the system is running on the screen is the Android Auto. We don't have the iPhone right in hands now, but definitely it will run well as Apple CarPlay, very nice. And it also has built-in GPS, built-in Bluetooth, and dual microphone, and touchscreen is beautiful. It match very nice into the dash, and no gap on the screen. So yep, that's all the thing that we love to bring in. And now looking back here, we have the whole touchscreen here, respond very well to the fingers. So yep, 9-inch full package Honda Civic 2015, which actually is a generation 2012 and 2015. So if you want to see some video of the work, how to fit the camera into this car and this model, please check another video we have in our channel that we made specifically from this car. And if you want to know how to remove the system, we also have another video already in our channel. And now, yep, thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you really like our work. Thank you. Bye bye.